Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for coming here today. So I have called you here because we will discuss about the new curriculum and how we can work together to make it a success. So we have here Ms. Maya, our curriculum developer. Can you please start by giving us an overview of the changes, ma'am?
Alright, good afternoon once again, everyone. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes, okay, I have here the copies of the curriculum. So, here. Alright, so the new curriculum focuses on active learning, where students engage in real-life tasks, projects, and collaborative activities. So we believe that this curriculum will help students to develop their critical skills like problem solving and teamwork, and to make their learning more meaningful, right?
Mom, I've been teaching for years in the same way, but it works. And I'm not really sure that this new curriculum will work to everyone. What if some of our students will find it too difficult? And aside from that, I'm also worried that there is a too much workload that it might create for me as a teacher.
Alright, I understand your concerns, ma'am. But the curriculum is designed to be flexible, so you don't need to change everything at once. So, we'll provide professional development and ongoing support to help with the transition. So you can start incorporating new methods gradually, and we'll be there to help you.
That's right. We'll provide plenty of resources and time for teachers to adapt. Collaboration is key. We will also be meeting regularly to discuss how things are going and to support each other. We want to ensure that everyone feels comfortable with the changes.
I'm really excited about this new curriculum. You know, I've tried project-based learning, and it really made a huge difference in my students' engagement and understanding. I think they will benefit from this approach.
I agree. This will allow the students to see the real-world applications for their learning. It will also develop their problem-solving skills, which are essential for their future.
Yes, and it's a great opportunity for us to collaborate as teachers. We'll be able to share ideas and strategies to make sure that the students will be supported and engaged.
I'm looking forward to it as well. Active learning is a fantastic way to motivate students and make learning more hands-on. I think they'll enjoy it, and it will be rewarding for us teachers too.
I'm excited too. The idea of student learning through projects and real-world scenarios is something I believe in. It is more dynamic way of teaching and learning, and I think it's make the lessons more engaging for everyone.
Thank you, teachers. How about from our students? Can we hear your side from this, please?
I'm really looking forward to the projects. I think it will be fun to learn by doing things instead from reading a book.
Yes, I'm a little nervous though. What if I don't understand something or fall behind? Will teachers be there to support us or help us?
I think it's a great idea. I've always wanted to work on more hands-on activities, but I'm a little worried about managing all the work and time. Will we have enough time to finish everything?
Ma'am, I'm still worried about how all of this will be in practice. Not all students learn in the same way. And what if they will struggle with these new activities? And aside from that, I'm really concerned about keeping up with additional responsibilities.
Yes, I understand now. The curriculum is designed to accommodate different learning styles, so there will be opportunities for differentiated instruction. So we can offer additional support to the students who need it, right?
Yes.
Do you agree with that? Yes. So it's also important to remember that we will be monitoring progress closely and making adjustments as needed.
Exactly. We'll provide extra help where it is necessary, whether that's through additional resources or one-on-one support. We have to remember that the goal is to let every student succeed, and we will be flexible in how we approach teaching.
Well, for me, I feel better now knowing that we'll have the support if we get stuck. I'm really excited to try out the new things, activities, and projects.
Yeah, I feel more confident now knowing that teachers will always be there to help us, and I'm looking forward for a start.
I'm excited too. I think this new way of learning is really fun. And I'm just curious about how we'll manage the time, especially with all these projects.
Okay, I'm willing to give it a try. But still, I have doubts. But I will do my best to adjust.
Yes.
And that's it. I really appreciate your support to all of you. Thank you.
Well, I'm glad to hear that. We're all here to support each other. You know, we can share ideas and strategies to make sure that things go smoothly.
Yes.
Exactly. We'll work together and help each other with the process. I think this will be a great opportunity for us to grow.
I agree. By working together, let's make this a successful transition. And let's make sure that we are all supporting one another along the way.
I'm excited about the potential growth. With everyone collaboration, I think and I'm sure that the students will enjoy and thrive with the new curriculum.
Alright, thank you everyone for all your commitment, and I believe this will be a great change to everyone. And together, we will make it a success for both students and teachers.
Yes, thank you everyone for your participation today. Let us continue to collaborate and support each other as we make this transition. I'm looking forward to seeing the positive impact of this curriculum.
Yes.
Thank you.